Hello class, my name is Mr. Hanson. I'm going to be your instructor for this upcoming semester for your math course. This video was kind of walk you through some of the things on Moodle that's going to be helpful for the class. So once you get into Moodle, obviously this is what you clicked on, what you need to know about Moodle. Hopefully you already watched my welcome video. Again, this is for my 171 class, but all my mathematics online class are the same as far as the layout. So pay no mind to the subject for this as far as this video. The first thing for you need to do if you're taking any class online from a math from me is you need to do the enrollment verification activity. Please click this, and once you click this and complete this, all these subjects will be visible to you. Right now, everything is hidden, and you cannot see anything because this has not been completed. This will also let me know that you are now officially enrolled in the class. So please do that for me as soon as possible. The very first thing you do. The next thing is to complete this online orientation certificate. If you already have done this in the past online classes, then you do not need to watch this video again. You should have already the document or certificate already saved. All you need to do is click this link and put it onto this link and submit it. Once you have done that, you completed these two and you're ready to get started with the class. So here this little arrow, this little triangle here will actually open what you need to do as far as what's in this section, introduction to resources to Math 171. Again, if you're looking at another course, it's the same thing for Math 121. In each of these sections is provided with information. Here's another video that I would like for you to watch about Math++. Here's a question and answer slide that you need to click on to maybe answer any of your questions if you're confused about the course, or you might have questions that you will need to be answered that might be already provided for you here in these slides. Here's the course syllabus. Here is the assignments due dates and the instructor schedule. Please print these and put it to where you are confined so you can always know when assignments are due, anything about the class, and when I'm available. The next thing I would like for you to click on is the Remind Me texting app. Here are the 5 steps that you need. Click on this link here, enter your cell number, wait for the 4-digit passcode to enter in. Click on the create a password. And then the first thing I want you to text me is just your first and last name. Once you have done that, I would then send you a little thumbs up little icon to let you know that you are in the Remind Me class. So let me close this. And then here's your next assignment as far as the virtual name tag and previous email. So read this section here. Again, it's the same thing in all my courses that I require all my students to do as far as the first couple of days or the first week of school. Again, you might see all these courses here layout, but you will not be able to see it because I'll open each one of these sections every week. So when it comes time to this week, then I'll unhide it so you can see it, and then you can start working on it. But as of right now, these are the only 3 that's going to be open for you. Only the first couple of sections is going to be open for you. Each one of these slides have videos, have resources to help you through the course. So please watch these videos, read the book, read the notes, and then complete your assignments on my Math Plus. And this is going to be helpful for you as far as getting your A in the class for your math course. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions for you.